In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new note in Obsidian and use basic Markdown. First, open the Obsidian app on your device. If you're new to Obsidian, think of it as a powerful, flexible notebook that organizes your notes inside something called a vault. A vault is simply a folder that holds all your notes and related files in one place. On the home screen, tap the vault you'll be working on. This ensures you're adding your new note to the right collection. Next, tap Open Vault. Obsidian will load that workspace and bring you to your notes list or the main editor, depending on how you last used the app. Now let's create a fresh note. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap it to create a note. You'll see options for different types of notes. Tap Create a New Note. Obsidian will open an empty page ready for you to start typing. It's a good idea to keep your notes focused and clearly named so you can find them later with ease. Let's add structure and style using Markdown, which is the simple formatting language Obsidian understands. Start with a heading by typing a number sign, then a space, and then your title, like this: # space title. In other words, type the hash symbol, followed by a space, and then your heading text. This creates a clear top-level heading that helps you scan your note quickly. Next, create a bullet list. On a new line, type a hyphen, then a space, and then your item text, like this: hyphen space item. Pressing return will continue the list with another bullet. Bullet lists are great for ideas, tasks, or quick outlines, and they keep your note clean and readable. To emphasize text, you can make it bold. Type 2 asterisks before a word or phrase and 2 asterisks after it. For example, 2 stars, your text, 2 stars. This makes the text stand out for important points or key terms. For a softer emphasis, use italics. Type a single asterisk before and after the text you want to italicize. 1 star, your text, 1 star. Italics are perfect for subtle highlights, short notes to yourself, or emphasizing a term without drawing too much attention. As you type, Obsidian may show the formatting instantly, or when you switch views, depending on your settings. If you ever see the symbols instead of formatting, don't worry. That just means you're in an editing-focused view. Keep an eye on consistent spacing, especially after the hash or hyphen, and always close your formatting with matching asterisks. And that's it. You've opened your vault, created a note, and used headings, bullet points, bold, and italics to give your writing structure and clarity.